Now let's talk about the difference between will and would in questions and statements. First, questions. Will you lend me some money? Would you lend me some money? Americans tend to use will only with family and friends because will you is more of a forceful statement for us. Would sounds more polite, so use would with acquaintances or with strangers. Now statements. I will lend you $20. That's just a positive statement. I would lend you money, but I don't have any right now. So would is used in the statement to show a more conditional state. I would if, I would but. It's really a negative response with a condition attached. Sometimes we do use would to express general positive ideas, such as, I would lend money to a member of my family. So that's just a general sense, something I would do. Okay, that completes this lesson on will and would.